How y'all doing? It's been a minute. But I've gotten some shit done. I've gotten some parts in. I've got a bunch of little stuff done and put on. Ain't got but a few little things to do to finish it, to make it run. But we got the air cleaner box powder coated and put back in. I've been cleaning on suspension. Got my struts taken off. Got new struts, springs at powder coat, sway bar powder coated. Really the only thing I'm missing, which I can tie these together, is a trans cooler, just loop them together. But there's the old one. It's kind of beat up. So, but let me turn the camera around. Got just about all my wires ran. Still got to put my intake tube on because I got something that's got to go there that's in this video, but I can't put the intake on and filter on. Got a brand new filter. Like I said, I've been cleaning on powder coat because it was nasty. Looks good through the fenders, all that white. Got an issue with, as you can see, O2 sensor hits the drive shaft. Truck's been lifted about 4 years and I haven't had a drive shaft in it because the front gears never matched. But I got the gears put in while the motor was out this late fall, or not late fall, late winter, early spring. So now I can have a drive shaft, got full drive again. Changed my fluid and filter because I didn't know if I had water in it from no dipstick in it over the winter. 5 quarts of new fresh filter. What else? I still got to put my torque converter bolts in before I start it. That's the main thing. Everything else is small. I've got brand new, you can see it, you can't see it, but I got a brand new hose from the radiator reservoir down to the block. I gotta get the clamp to clamp. That hose. Got the top done, but the bottom clamp's gotta be clamped. But my last 2 big parts have come in. As you can see, got an excess power battery and got me an alternator. See how well I can do this with one hand. These are the 2 main parts I've been waiting on. And it's upgraded parts. Got me a mechman. See if I can get it out. I got that 370 mechman. Had to do an upgrade. Been running stock alternator for years. And when the truck ran last, I was having electrical issues with stereo and lights and all that. So I couldn't go back with a stock alternator. I've waited and waited and waited and saved and saved and saved for these 2 parts just for an upgrade. Seeing how I got 2 brand new amps going in it, and I got I'm gonna replace my subs too with 4 new ones. this about 2 weeks ago, almost. This is the big one that runs the dual idler pulleys. Thought they came with, but I guess they don't. And then, of course, got a sticker. Sticker's always good. Stickers always make shit better. And then I bought the biggest one that would fit under my hood. Excess power D6500. I am trying not to have any electrical problems. A couple more stickers. This video is just going to be pretty much an unboxing. Next video will be an install and maybe getting the truck running. Hopefully I ain't got much to get it to crank and run. So, hopefully this will solve electrical issues, lights dimming, and any other issues. So, next video will be me installing all this. Appreciate y'all. Oh, and I'm at 200 subscribers. Thank y'all. Appreciate it. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank y'all.